Have you ever wondered about the fundamental units of life? What makes up the living organisms we see around us? Well, you're about to find out. Welcome to an exploration of the 9th grade science chapter 5, the fundamental units of life. First off, let's delve into the world of cells. Yes, cells. They're the smallest and most basic units of life, and everything living is composed of them. It was Robert Hooke who first discovered cells in a piece of cork. He observed tiny hollow structures which he named cells, after the Latin word cella, meaning small rooms. Anton van Leeuwenhoek later discovered the first living cell. Next, we move on to the two major types of cells, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic cells are smaller, simpler, and they do not have a defined nucleus. On the other hand, eukaryotic cells are larger, more complex, and have a well-defined nucleus. Humans, plants, and animals are composed of eukaryotic cells. The third section of the chapter introduces us to the structure of a cell. Each cell is composed of a cell membrane, cytoplasm, and a nucleus. The cell membrane acts as a protective layer. The cytoplasm is where all the cell's activities take place, and the nucleus controls these activities. In the fourth section, we delve deeper into the cell and its components. We learn about organelles, which are specialized structures within a cell that perform specific functions. Notable organelles include the mitochondria, known as the powerhouse of the cell, the endoplasmic reticulum, which helps in protein and lipid synthesis, and the chloroplasts in plant cells, which are responsible for photosynthesis. The fifth section is all about the comparison between plant and animal cells. While they share many similarities, they also have some distinct differences. For instance, plant cells have a cell wall and chloroplasts, which are absent in animal cells. On the other hand, animal cells contain lysosomes, which are usually not found in plant cells. Lastly, we discuss how cells multiply through a process called cell division. There are two types of cell division: mitosis, where a cell divides to produce two identical cells, and meiosis, where a cell divides to produce four non-identical cells. To sum it up, the chapter, The Fundamental Units of Life, it teaches us about the discovery of cells, the types of cells, the structure and components of a cell, the differences between plant and animal cells, and how cells multiply. It's a fascinating journey into the microscopic world that is the foundation of all life. So the next time you look at a living organism, remember, it's a complex collection of these tiny yet incredibly important cells.